Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, the Professional Edition. So I have it right here in front of me, and I'm going to say that I really love the blow dryer. I've been using it on myself and on my clients, and the difference between the blow dryer that is professional and the non-professional supersonic hair dryer is that it just comes with like maybe one different nozzle, and also the cable cord is a lot longer. It is 11 feet long, so you don't get it tangled around your clients, and the regular one is actually like 9 feet long. So I mean, that's quite long for a blow dryer. It is 1600 watts, so that's pretty normal for a blow dryer. Most blow dryers are 1850 watts, so that is pretty high, and I've seen some blow dryers at like 1200 watts or 1300 watts, which is really great because you know that it's not using up too much electricity. It has some really cool technology to it, which I love. It has like a V9 motor, which is what they call. It's supposed to help dry your hair 6 times faster than most blow dryers. It has intelligent like heat control, so it doesn't damage your hair, and also it has a controlled airflow. So meaning that when you're blow drying it, your hair is not going to fly all over the place, and you're going to get smooth, frizz-free hair. With the attachments, it is magnetic, as you can see here. The Professional Edition comes with the smoothing concentrator, and also the Professional concentrator here. This is the one that comes with the Professional Edition, and basically what it is it's just like a really narrow concentrator, and it's like a little wider on the side, so you get more of a precise hairstyling. And then it comes with the diffuser. When you think about the Professional Edition Supersonic Hair Dryer, you want to be able to clean your filter. So the filter actually comes out, and you can actually brush the filter with a cleaning brush that comes in the box, and you can also soak this and wash it in hot soapy water, but make sure to let it dry 100% so that way you're not shocking yourself when you turn the blow dryer back on. Cool thing about the blow dryer is that the airflow comes through here. I've never seen that with any other blow dryers. When you turn on the air, it just has a nice controlled airflow. It just disperses in the whole diffuser, let's say, if you use a diffuser. Okay, so let's talk about the settings. So you do have the on and off button, and you have a cool shot button here, and you have 3 different speeds, so a low, medium, high speed, and then you have 4 different heat settings: a low heat, a medium heat, high heat, and also a cool setting. Let's say you want to do a quick blowout, you can just use it on a high heat and high speed setting. If you want to diffuse it, I recommend using it on a low speed setting and a higher heat setting. So that way you know that the air is not like blowing all over your hair, making sure that the hair stays in the diffuser and that the heat is actually drying your hair. This blow dryer is only 1.8 pounds, so it is very lightweight. It is designed so that it is more comfortable for you to hold. It is also designed so that you're not getting any hair stuck in the nozzle, because remember, the motor is on the bottom of the handle, so you can actually twist the nozzles. So let's say you're blow drying your hair a specific way. Now you need to turn the nozzle so that maybe you're blow drying the top area. So that's one way that you can actually twist the nozzle and not have it fall out of the blow dryer. It does have some ionic ions in there, which is going to help smooth the hair cuticle, meaning that you're going to get frizz-free hair. It's also going to help with like the speed of drying your hair, meaning just faster blowouts. It is very lightweight, and it is quiet. So when you're blow drying your client's hair, you can actually hear your conversation between you and your client. But also, you know, you're not waking up anybody at home when you're blow drying in the morning or at night. That's, you know, a plus for that. I've dropped it a couple times and it still works like brand new, okay? So it is made very strongly. You know, it won't break on you. It does what it says, you know, it works really well. If you are a stylist, clients are gonna ask you about it. If you're using it at home, you know, you're just going to enjoy the luxury of like having this blow dryer. Like I said, I am already using the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I do love it on myself, on my clients. I recommend it for anyone. It is quite an investment. Dyson, you know, will have some deals if you sign up for their email subscription. But I say, you know, go for it. If you want a great blow dryer that's going to give you frizz-free hair and also blow dry your hair a lot quicker, and also if you're just really into like hair dryer technology, I say go for it.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.